you thwart the will of the people, go to that state. Igafu abnormalities in that state.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
The people, because the people will not support you. You cannot cow them. You understand? You want to go one double or whatever. You got to go. At the end of the day, you don't have the support of the people. The Constitution says sovereignty belongs to the people. You understand? So allow free and fair election. Ida kwetanedra. Jesueke.
Bam. Bam. Ibam. And the magazine me ala bam. I tiga guys etinyaro. Eba kai na mi oside. I me pen your baba. Akunya no ko leben ka ku jo ya ku oza. Afam ka bu Dr. Chijoke Igwendo dogubu Mr. Yambaba. And agwa mun na show abro so eba na akpota ndị mfebi ọnụ ma ọ bụ ndị na ebe that I na akpota onye nwalo akolo a minister in the Temple of Justice. I go back we are because kind of a barrister Sir Anthony Kelechi Agbasere aka no Papa wa the celebrity barrister no na gbam.
Thank you very much.
Kola kedo onye bụ Anthony Agbasere Ganiru.
This is Jack. I call Anthony Kelechi. Afamo Anthony Kelechi Agbasere.
Okay.
Abumo Yuli. Nehala local government area.
Okay.
I'm a legal practitioner. Office mu Nonoka here.
Okay.
So that's that. And I'm also a lover of entertainment.
Yes.
Yes.
Obviously. Let me help you. Kowala in kedo obodo amoy, kedo ebe gala akwụkwọ, kedo your primary school, secondary school, university.
Amomunuli. Agam school. Primary school Nuli. Secondary school Nolo. Agomo bonus pastor seminary.
Okay.
You know, down to St. Mary's Seminary Omowa.
Okay.
So from there I also went to university. In fact, I did pre-science in Anambra State University.
Mboko.
No, Anambra State University.
Okay, yes,
you know, so, and then I also, I got double admission because in my O-level, I registered science na NECO, register arts.
Okay.
My this. So
Okay.
I passed both, passed my pre-science, passed my jump, so I got double admission. I opted for law at the end of the day. You know, so I went to Anambra State University. You know, Eba I can go. Then from there, I also went to Nigerian Law School, Victoria Island, Lagos. You know, so then.
Afa ibu afa na adoda. Ebefe nwebe celebrity nke nwa. Anyị Anubago celebrity barrister. Kedu ka afa gas wee bịa n'ụdị? Kedu ka o si bido or ava nne ịgba ịkọ? Kadiru?
Okay. The man also now bomb celebrity barrister. I think it's just because I'm more in entertainment. I love entertainment so much, and then I mingle and flow with entertainers.
Okay.
You know, so and I think I have also organized a lot of entertainment, you know, activities here. Mama Anambra here, and then even in the southeast, you know, so I think that's the link, you know. So later on, MBA Oka branch specifically gave me award, celebrity lawyer. They wrote it celebrity lawyer.
Okay.
So all certified.
Okay.
You understand, by MBA, you know. So I think that was how the name came about. I'm not Kataramosi celebrity. You know, yes.
Okay. Let me talk to you as a lawyer, as onye Okiikpe na n'obodo Nigeria. Kedu ka iwu si eme na Nigeria? How is law doing in this country? Talking from a lawyer point of view, how do you see law, the rule of law in Nigeria?
Question again. Because all the very broad. Just like people will say, there is this good, the bad, the ugly. So my experience so far in the profession, it is not a bad profession, so to say. But I can remember sometime in 2003, at the American Embassy, Abuja that time, I just realized something. As at 2003, I think December 13th or thereabout, I observed now, if you are a lawyer, if you are a medical doctor, the interviewers hardly ask you of your account statement. Yes, this is what I observed. I think this is the very first time I'm saying this. Because maybe they presume that all lawyers, all medical doctors, professionals, they have integrity and they are well to do. That's the opinion out there. Until recently, Uchita account statement in Inedenowa, they can deny you the visa. So that goes to the dignity or integrity of the profession. So what do I mean by that? If you look at it, that period, before you become a lawyer, before you see a lawyer, only CK, or of recent, Kebidro, Nenwezi, Abidom na no maka charge and bail lawyer and all the rest of them, all of recent. So, with the judgment, some courts, because not all, some courts need deliver. Here the public, the masses, and the lawyers. So they do no longer repose that confidence. That integrity is in debt. That is lacking. So there is need for people to again repose that confidence so that if by any office, if by any place, senable a lawyer, people will respect you and accord that due respect to you. Along with what is going on in the judiciary.
Because the medical profession and the law, I say na mwagibolo lawyer, mwagibolo doctor. In Akowa that regard, that sacredness, and what could be the problem?
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. The way it used to be, Abakoba also said that during this period, and we were anticipating a judgment of P2B in the Supreme Court. Abakoba was granted interview, and he said, no, about 20 years ago, that he can convincingly, with available facts, tell you this will be the outcome. And mind you, in law, I'm kind of digressing. In law, there's what they call pre-action counseling. Out in Abuja, and I think also not in Lagos, you understand. You counsel your client on the strength and weaknesses of his case. Giving a doctrine of precedent, stare decisis. Yeah, they already decided cases. You can easily tell your client, this is the likely outcome, you understand, of your matter. You understand?
Yes.
So, towing that line of Abakoba,
It is difficult nowadays for you to say that this will be the outcome. You understand? So what I'm saying by implication is that law, the way it used to be, is no longer what it is today. I have to give it to a lot of judges that are doing their best, you know, at least to deliver exactly, to maintain that integrity. You know, there are a lot of judges. A lot of judges, they don't play with this job. Let me give an example. I don't know. I may comment.
Go ahead, yes. Go ahead.
Justice Nweze, J.I. Nweze. J.I. Nweze, when he was sitting in Ihiala High Court 1 as the admin judge, Justice Nweze na-esi Enugu Abioru every day. Justice Nweze will tell you, if you know, by consent of parties, court can sit even on a holiday, public holiday, yes, or even outside the 9 o'clock, you know, court yes, sit. Yes. Nweze will tell you, if you want to be heard by 8 o'clock, once people agree, I will be here. 7:30 Nweze is from Enugu. Onoyana Ehiala. With his Mercedes flat boot, you know, Onoyana Ehiala already. Nechu neche. You know? So, you see that hard work. And Nweze be a very sound judge. So, there are a lot of them, even my Ononkwo, you know, if in fact, if you call their court Ononkwo, he will even be correcting you. There are a lot of sound judges there. There are a lot of hard-working judges. You understand? You know, I have to give it to them. Man, when some of them, you know, they are not living to expectation. You understand?
Yes.
You know, so can you imagine in this country, I know here, somebody who contested for president later became a senator. This is a fact in the public fora. And somebody also who came third or fourth became the governor.
Fourth.
So, and other matters like that. And these are sensitive matters. The public, they are looking at. You understand? They want to know what will be the outcome. What will the judiciary do in respect of this matter? It is sensitive in the sense that people that will rule the people. You understand? You are more or less hoisting or imposing leaders on the people.
Selecting.
You understand? It is no longer election.
Yes.
The people did not elect them. And that's why they cannot. In fact, let me tell you, if the people didn't elect you, if you like, go to Supreme Court, come back, you understand? Or guy, you are not elected.
You don't have the will of the people.
You don't have the will of the people, and you cannot command them. You know, that now. When you thwart the will of the people, go to that state. Igafu abnormalities in that state.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
The people, because the people will not support you. You cannot cow them. You understand? Whatever. You gotta go. At the end of the day, you don't have the support of the people. The Constitution says sovereignty belongs to the people. You understand? So allow free and fair election. Anybody open a fro now na higher talks. It's just election win. But the person cannot be there for the interest of the people. He cannot. And the people can never support. Also today, it succeeds. Tomorrow, the history is there. If you like, kill the messenger. The message will still be there. You understand? So, we were talking about some of the judgments at the liver gassery. You understand?
Okay. Recently, and we one matter na election tribunal. The person they represent currently they represent the constituency cannot read and write. What mean? He cannot read and write. Now, but because there were qualification and disqualifications mentioned in the Constitution, I think section 106, 107 of the Constitution, you know, that mentioned the qualification and disqualification of a House of Assembly member. The person went and obtained O-level, WAEC certificate. You understand? He did not pass through the secondary school. He didn't pass through the secondary school. He only obtained, in my GC here. You got to go. All of a sudden, no matter I got a primary school, a got a secondary school, you know, category register, that is not education up to school certificate level. You must show that they got primary school, got secondary school. At that point, no problem. But you don't just go and register for GCE, mother deregim or whatever, and then you put, I see that now you are educated up to school certificate level. It is not correct. You understand? However, that one aside, now we argued that this man cannot read and write. You understand? Okay, now, if you look at section 99, it is not part of the qualification of a membership of a State House of Assembly. It's not part of it. Mana, I think section that 99, if I'm not mistaken, Sigini, that the business of State House of Assembly, even the National Assembly, shall be transacted in English language. By implication, if you cannot read and write English language, you do not have seat. You do not have business.
Eligibility. You
do not have business in that place. And it is not enough for you to subpoena WAEC to come and tender one nonsense certificate like that. Issue of qualification is personal. We contended that it is only this person, this candidate, that can prove to the court that he can read and write. Let him enter the witness box. But he circumvented that. He didn't enter the witness box. He had to bring in a WAEC. You know, and WAEC was on subpoena. Subpoena ad ducem. That is to come and tender documents. They tendered the documents. We were not allowed to cross-examine them. We didn't even know, even the court itself didn't even know whether this person is from WAEC. Because subpoena ad ducem is just for you to come and tender this thing. No cross-examination, nothing. And the court relied on it. The issue that we raised was not treated. The court didn't advert its mind there. You understand? So these are some of the things, you know, I believe the court should look into. When you bring in people that are intelligent, people that are smart in the business, people that have integrity, Nigeria will move forward. People that can give decision without minding whose ox is God. Without fear or favor. People lobby to be made a judge or to be... No. Lawyers know who is who. Ask the lawyers, they will tell you. People that should be elevated to the bench. It's not by contact, but here in Nigeria, it is by contact who you know. And let me tell you, when you do not encourage hard work, you are not discouraging laziness. Excellence should be promoted, should be encouraged, should be heralded and applauded.
Or every time people just like students. Nwatakịrị agụgide akwụkwọ abalị mụọ lantern ya zuo fuel mee na onye nke ọzọ anọ ya na-agbara oringo at the end of the day because na the student didn't give in to lecturers demand ihe na ịkwada ya onye nke na-agba oringo ịghọtago. So what by implication are you doing? You are encouraging kwe ya na-akpụ ya mgbe ahụ ogbu oge ịghọtago and then discouraging hard work.